Please make sure you have watched parts 1 through 4 of the basic RMC Tools training. To create a new user program, in the project tree, right-click User Programs and choose New Program. Enter a name and click Finish. We will make a user program that does the following: moves axis 0 and 1 to 10, moves axis 0 to a variable position, waits 1 second, moves both axes back to 0, sets a discrete output. First, enter a move absolute command for axis 0. In the speed box, begin typing my speed, then choose the variable from the list. To add another command, in the command section of the toolbar, click the Add Command button. Now make a link type that waits for both axes to reach their positions. The link type box has the following options. Immediate will jump to the next step, although the next step will not be processed until the next loop time of the controller. This is because a task can process one user program step per loop time. Jump is similar to the immediate link type, but will jump to the specified step. Delay will delay for the specified amount of time. Wait for will wait for a specified condition to be true, then jump to the next step. Conditional jump evaluates a specified condition, then jumps to some specified step. The conditional jump can have multiple conditions. An end link type will end the user program. We need to wait for the axis 0 and axis 1 status bits to turn on, so we will choose Wait For. The condition can be typed manually or made with the wizard by clicking the ellipsis button. Choose status bits and click Next. Select both axes. Choose Wait for the condition to be true on all selected axes and click Next. Select the In Position status bit to be on, then click Next. Verify that the condition is correct and click Finish. To add a step in the toolbar, click the Add Step After button. Enter a move absolute command for axis 0. In the position box, enter the My Position variable. Choose the Wait For link type. Double-click the condition box to manually create the In Position bit condition. To add a time delay, add a new step. The command can be removed by right-clicking close to it and choosing Delete. Choose the delay link type and enter a time of 1 second. The next step will move both axes to 0. We can copy a step and paste it, then modify the step. The final step will send the Set Discrete Output command to turn on a discrete output. To verify that the programs have no syntax errors, on the Programming menu, click Verify. If any errors exist, they will be listed in the Output window. For example, if the last link type was immediate, this would be an error because there is no following step to jump to. Verifying lists the error. Clicking the error will open the location of the error. To apply the program to the controller, in the project pane, right-click Programming and choose Download Programs to Controller. RMC Tools verifies the programs, then downloads them if successful. Before running, we'll move both axes to 0. We will also set the My Position and My Speed variables to 16 and 6 and start a trend. We see the Plot 0 template includes both axis 0 and axis 1, so we will be able to see all the motion from the user program. After arranging the windows, we can run the program and see from the plot that it ran correctly. Axis 0 and 1 moved to 10, axis 1 moved on to 16, the program delayed 1 second, both axes moved back to 0, and we see that the discrete output was set. In the event log, we can also see that the program ran. The log shows each step transition and the commands that were sent. We can also see where the user program started. When creating programs for an application, you may need to set some of the programming properties. On the General page, you can set the number of tasks. On the Halts page, we see that the default setting is that all tasks will stop if any axis halts. If this is undesirable for your application, you can choose to not stop any tasks when an axis halts or just stop certain tasks. Individual programs also have properties such as the name and number, an option to disable the program, and specifying which tasks it can run on.